Hello, so we are group 12 and we're going to be presenting Snapchat. Here's the team. So I am Margot from business department, and with Yumi, Michelle, Jocelyn, Joy, and Derek, we will be presenting this Snapchat. So through this presentation, we will explain how Snapchat revolutionized communication, all the while successfully reducing costs and by minimizing data storage. In this presentation, we will explain how the Snapchat application works, the reasons why the users have fallen in love with this communication application, and how they made its success. So as said here, Snapchat is all about ephemeral conversations, instantaneous messaging, and they found a way to minimize storage space. And all this will be explained during this presentation.
And here is our outline. We will have introduction, how the information system works, the benefits of Snapchat, the critical success factors, and the conclusion.
This is our introduction. Snapchat was founded in 2011 by students at Stanford University. The idea of Snapchat is a new way to share information that you wanted to see disappeared. A photo app that doesn't conform to unrealistic notions of beauty or perfection, but rather creates a space to be funny, honest, or whatever else you might feel like at the moment you take and share a snap.
In information system of Snapchat, we will talk about system architecture, process, and rate. In system architecture, we will talk about front end and back end. System architecture. In the front end, the devices allowed people to download Snapchat and become a member easily. You can use your iPad, iPhone, or laptop and computer to download Snapchat from app stores or Google Play. And then you can create an account by filling in your name, username, password, and email. Step 3, you can tap the profile icon at the top to go to your profile screen. And then you can create your own avatar and you can edit it. If you missed the first chance to edit your own avatar after installing the app, you can go on to the setting and find Bitmoji and start making your own avatar. As for the backend, Snapchat runs on Google App Engine, which is a cloud product. So photos are saved in the cloud but are often viewed rather quickly and then deleted. This allowed for relatively low maintenance overhead because they don't have to save any images on their servers. And it's much cheaper than Facebook's more traditional architecture, and also much less memory is used by Snapchat.
So next is the process, and the first one is how the Snapchat IS works. First, obviously, is the front end, and obviously the front end is our Snapchat ad. And next we have back end for cloud computing and big data analysis. The cloud service system is from the Google App Engine. Next, we have how to use Snapchat. After downloading your app, and it's time to setting up your account. And you can also find your friends and start texting. So basically the text vanish after you leave the chat room, or you can turn on the 24 hours vanish mode on each chat room to keep the text last for a day. Or you can basically just save every text by swiping it right and for it to last forever. And there's also a really fun function for Snapchat is the map. You can see every friend who is on your Snapchat everywhere they are and every second of the day of the time. So how to use Snapchat? So as I mentioned, they have a really creative creative function is the Snapchat map. So the system will ask you if you want Snapchat to allow you your location. You can either choose allow or don't allow. If you allow, you can see other people and people can see you. But if you don't allow, you can still manage to see the other people, your friends, but your friends cannot see where you are. So next we have the Snapchat story. So Snapchat story is basically similar like Instagram story. You can capture every moment of your life, but if you are not a Snapchat Plus, the Snapchat story you can only see once. So the stories can edit like a really famous platform called TikTok. And also, other than followers, Snapchat also have a subscription system. It's just like YouTube. You can subscribe to Snapchat.
Here are some differences and rates between Snapchat and Snapchat Plus. For the story part, they are available for once to Snapchat users, but the Plus users can rewatch the stories. For the backgrounds, Snapchat users has limited backgrounds as the Plus users can have exclusive backgrounds. For the trails, Snapchat users can only see current locations of friends, but Plus users can see ghost trails. For the friends part, Snapchat users will have original functions, as the Plus users can pin their friends. The last one is about charges. Snapchat is free to use, but Plus costs $130 per month or $1,290 per year.
Next, we will discuss the benefit of Snapchat from three perspectives: interpersonal relationship, business, and user. From the point of view of interpersonal relationship, first benefit is about the self-destruct function, which means pictures you shared will disappear in 10 seconds unless you personally save it in your device. This reducing the cognitive load of worrying about what others might think of your photos. Second, give you a notification when someone downloads what you shared. This function lets you know who owns your pictures. If pictures were spread, but you don't want them to be circulated, you can find out who did it. Third, authenticity. The default screen, which is the page showed up first when you open the app, is the camera page. It means that Snapchat wants you to record what you see in your life. You don't have to edit your pictures before posting, since they will just exist only 10 seconds. From the business perspective, the first benefit, also mentioned earlier, is about the self-destruct function. This function can increase curiosity for other users. They might check frequently if there is some latest and interesting content, and this can be a model for your company to catch customers' eyes. Second, Snapchat allows you to know who took a screenshot of what you shared. If someone took a screenshot, it means that he or she might be interested in the content, which makes him or her to be a potential customer. Third, pictures are the main characters. Snapchat's main focus is on photos, and users are more likely to stick around and watch an image than a text-only description.
The following Snapchat presents a benefit for users. Users can connect with their friends. You can find out what your friends are doing through photos and videos. There are location services. This allows you to keep track of where your friends are. Lastly is the filter. It has a lens wave filter. It is also possible to try and purchase these through the screen. These are also the reasons why users support Snapchat.
I'm going to talk the critical success factors. I think I have three ways to succeed. First is listen to others and observe. And second, innovative marketing methods and innovative function. Last, foresight. And first, listen to others and observe. Understand users' needs, but don't follow them blindly. Only in this way can we find our own positioning and development direction and create products that meet social needs. Snapchat has many features that arose out of need observed in everyday life. Second, innovative marketing methods. Cooperate with other companies to develop sponsored filters and become a new generation of marketing techniques. Through sponsored filters, users can receive information about new products invisibly and use filters to take photos and then send them to their friend or their family to help publish. Innovative vocation, AR, like this and this way. Okay. Self-destruct vocation, it will delete messages by itself. And a new type of online conversation like this. Next, the last is foresight. Focus on mobile platform from the beginning. By observing the habits of young people using mobile phones, complete with the continuous reduction of mobile data costs, they found that mobile audio and video will become a cheaper and more convenient way to share in the future.
So, to conclude this presentation, we can say that since 2011, Snapchat has managed to create a fun application based on fast and instantaneous messaging that is beneficial for users and businesses. The system architecture, front end and back end, as said earlier, has played an important role in Snapchat's success, also differentiating it from Facebook's haystack technique. So they have successfully reduced the costs on data storage, and they still managed to make the application attractive for its users. They made it a fun way to communicate, very fun and easy, and it's authentic and transparent real-time messaging to conclude. Thank you for listening to us.